Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Today I'm gonna make Thailand traditional dessert. It is called sticky rice with mango. It is very famous dessert, so I'm going to try it today. Let's go and check it out. Four cups of sticky rice. Soak it for 3 hours. We steam the rice for 30 minutes in high flame. While we steam the rice, we prepare the sauce. 4 cups of coconut milk, 12 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Put the coconut milk into a pot and add little bit of water. Followed by sugar, salt, and also pandan leaf. Keep on stirring it until it boils. Once the sticky rice is already cooked, we put in a big bowl and we put the coconut sauce into the rice, bit by bit, and mix it together with the rice. Make sure the rice absorbs all the sauce in. Once finished, we re-steam it for 10 minutes. Now we make the thick sauce. Pour 2 cups of coconut milk and add little bit of water. We stir it. Once it's boiling, we add in 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed with water. We keep stirring it until it gets thick and turn off the flame. Sticky rice are ready to be served with mango and thick sauce. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you will try this at home. Easy recipe. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share my video to all your friends in social media and your family members. See you in my next video. Stay healthy and stay at home.